Here we have the, what I affectionately call the mid-sized, mid-sized scale of excavators, Cybertronian vehicle form. Now, as you can see, she has half a dozen wheels. There's a ball joint for this plow, a hinge for this window piece, which I'll get to in a bit, ball joint for all of these arms, two hinges back here, which I'll get to right now. Lift this up and you'll get a empty space representing the cab. Flip that back. Well, this is not supposed to come off. It's supposed to be right here, but hey, clutch powers. You get a little engine simulation, which I did on the larger scale. But the larger scale, this never happened. Now, these can spin. For size comparisons, here's a kid fig. Now, I made this to be in the scale with the nanofig, or they're called the minifig. I think it's a minifig trophy or action figure piece. And I didn't do that bad. Now, there's a crayon. You saw Sig representing a normal Sig fig. Here's the Traveler representing a Mega Blocks fig. Let's see, here's Ihan and his power armor. Now, see, here's the Stingray, the Ram. Hold on a minute. There we go. The Ram. Let's see. Apocalypse Prime with and without trailer flavor. And let's see here. The lawn tractor with flatbed. My Fallout hover limo. Let's see. The hauler. Now, alright, I can. There we go. Gigabytes. My Mad Max inspired build. I'm not saying which of the three movies, but still. Here's Big Bertha Mark II. Let's see. Here's, Brimstone in robot mode. Just sorry about this. And right. Now here she is in, oh no, her robot form. Oh, there we go. Now that's it.